Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge etc. Please subscribe to the channel and also please do like and share and leave your suggestions in the comment section. The events of 9th July 2024 are follows. Bengali date 24 আষাঢ় 1431. As per Beni Madhav Sil Ponjika, today's Tithi is Shukla Tritiya up to 0532 hours and after that Shukla Chaturthi. As per Beni Madhav Sil Ponjika, today's Nakhotra is Oscillation Nakhotra up to 0810 hours and after that Moha Nakhotra. Today is National Sugar Cookie Day. Today is Cow Appreciation Day. Today is National Dimples Day. Today is birth anniversary of Mr. Piotr Leonidovich Kapitsa. Today is birth anniversary of Mr. Gurudutt. Today is birth anniversary of Mr. Ben R. Motelson. Today is birth anniversary of Mr. Sanjeev Kumar. Thank you very much for your patience.